Hi, I'm Joachim for Statistics Globe, and in this video I'll explain how to assign column names to a data frame based on a row of this data frame. In the video I'm going to show you an example, and this example is based on the data frame that we can create with lines 2 to 4 of the code. So if you run these lines of code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new data frame object appears, which is called data. And we can print this data frame to the RStudio console by running line 5 of the code. And then you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that our data frame contains 5 rows and 3 columns, which are currently called x1, x2, and x3. Now let's assume that we want to use the first row of this data frame as column names. Then it makes sense to first duplicate our data, because we want to keep an original version of our data frame, and we can do that, as you can see, in line 7 of the code. So after running this line of code, a new data frame object appears at the top right of RStudio, which is called data new. And at this point, this data frame contains of exactly the same values and column names as our input data frame. However, in the next line, in line 8 of the code, I'm using the colnames function to assign the values that are stored in our first row as column names. So if you run line 8 of the code, our data frame is updated. And we can see that by printing the new updated data frame to the RStudio console by running line 9 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that a new data frame is appearing. And as you can see, the column names of this data frame are not x1, x2, and x3 as in our input data frame, but A, X, and I. And you can also see that the column names of this new data frame are equal to the values stored in the first row of our data frame. So as you have seen, we can use the colnames function to assign the values stored in a row as column names to our data frame. However, based on this output, you can also see that now the first row of our data frame is equal to the column names of our data frame. And for that reason, we might want to delete this row from our data frame. And we can do that, as you can see, in line 11 of the code. So in this line of code, I'm assigning to our new data frame a subset of our data frame, which contains all rows but the first row of our data. So if you run line 11 of the code, our data frame is updated, and we can see that by running line 12 of the code. And after running line 12, our new data frame is printed again to the RStudio console. And as you can see, we have removed the first row from our data frame, because now the values in our data frame are starting at the second index position of our input data frame. So in this video, I have explained how to assign the values of an existing row as column names to a data frame. However, in case you want to learn more on this topic, you could check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail, and I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video. Furthermore, if you have liked this video, I would be very happy if you leave me some positive feedback in the comments, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notifications in future when I'm releasing new videos to the channel. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye bye.